Hey guys, it's Snake here, and it is Thursday. It's about 3:30, and I am on my way to do some sourcing. I'm going old school. I'm going to an auction. That sale just got snake bit. That's about an hour away from where I live. Go straight, sorry, I'm trying to pay attention to the road here. To see what I can find. It looks like a pretty decent auction. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to buy anything. It's been a long while since I've been to an auction, so I gotta kind of
we found a faster route via
I gotta kind of get back into.
5 minutes. If you prefer to stay on the current route, tap no thanks.
I am slowly getting back. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm losing track of my thought here. So what was I saying? Okay, it's something that I haven't done in a long time, so I'm probably way out of practice. I'm kind of gonna go and get my feet wet again, kind of get a feel for everything. I've never been to this particular auction before. So anyway, I'm also gonna try and take some footage in there. We'll see what happens. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to record in there or not, but I'm definitely going to try for you guys. Sorry about that. How's it going?
$7. Somebody start with $5. $5 bid now, but a good $6. $6 there. You'll be $7. $7 bid now, you be $8. $8 to $5 and $8 bid now, but a $8. $5 and $8. I'm at $7 bid $8 there. Now, but a good $9. $5 and a good $9. Tripod. All right, you're buying your choice. Right to go. Give me $8 bid. Go. $8 to $5 and $8. $5 and $8. $5 and $8. But a good $7. $7 to $5 and a good $7. And a good $6. $5 and a good $6. Start with $5 and let me roll. $5 and a $5. $5 and a good $5. $5 and a $5. $5 and a good $5. $3. $5 and a good $6. $5 and a good $6. $5 and a good $3 in the entrance. What else we got? Yeah, somebody be $5. Maybe Christmas is close. Christmas is close. Anybody? Yeah, can you see them? Or Christmas is good. You want to take one of them? See if they can. Okay. All right, anybody else? $6 start. Any interest? All right, we'll move on.
Hey guys, so I left the auction early. It's still going on right now. It's about 7 o'clock. And the reason I left is because the particular person whose items were being sold was asking almost double the current market price for everything that I've looked up. So for instance, there was this cookware set that sells on eBay for $45 new. She said retails for $100 and wanted the starting bid was at $75. Yeah, not the kind of auction for a reseller. So especially when you're trying to get retail prices almost for these items. So
in a quarter mile, take the ramp to I-75 South.
Anyway, so that was a big fat bust. So I wasn't able to record much. Shoot, where am I going? Okay. I wasn't able to record much in there. I did get a little bit of footage, but nothing, you know, nothing special. So I'll show you guys.
To I-75 South.
I'll show you guys a little bit of footage, but it's nothing exciting. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Continue for 3/4 of a mile.
Wow, she won't be quiet. Get snake bit, guys.